everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will be looking at a beginner's coding sheet which I have prepared, and the topics which I will be covering is the basics, if else, loop, switch and pattern, function recursion and array and strings. तो यार आज की वीडियो में हम बेसिक प्रोग्राम से स्टार्ट करते हैं. The basic programs which I will be covering is the write a program to print hello world and other programs, and we will be also looking at how to solve a particular problem on a online platform. So let's get started. So the first program is write a program to print hello world. So in C++, like in C++, in a flowchart when we have studied, in flowchart we always have a start, but in programming from where the program starts, let's check it out in the IDE. Function, whenever we write any program, the program execution starts from the int main. So in C++ for printing any statement, we have an inbuilt function that is the cout. It's an inbuilt function which is included by hash include stdio.h. Simply means include standard input output library, which is the cout function. So here we will be writing the cout statement. But as in the terminal we are getting to know that cout is undefined. As I earlier told that cout is standard input output library, which is we have to actually include in our program. So we can, how can we include? So we have to add two more steps, that is so we have included the cout library by using hash include iostream, because in every program we have to include the libraries using hash include iostream, which is a standard input output library. So if we run the program, where we can see the expected output, that is the hello world. So in this way, the program execution starts from the main function, and these curly braces simply means the statements which are included inside these curly braces, which is where you can say as a block. Inside this block the int main statements will be occurring. So next, for applying the cout statement, we need to use iostream library, that is a standard input output library, and using the namespace std means using standard namespace, that is the cout is a standard input output library, right? So we have included the cout library and cout functionality we have used, and we have printed the hello world. So what does this endl mean? Endl simply means that end line, like it is a escape sequence character, like we say na, new line or something. It simply means new line. So yeah, this was all about in this video. So in next video we will be looking at how to print integers entered by the user, that is user input, and how to add integers, and later we will be moving towards the online platform, because in online assessment you will be getting exams on online platform like HackerRank, Gigs for Geeks or LeetCode or something. So we will be discussing all the problems. So if you really like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.